it's me, Galaxy, and today we are opening another packet of these because we have 1,000 right here. Sorry, I lost some of them, so we don't have much of them right now, but there's Shopkins that I lost and some of these that I've lost, but it doesn't matter because we're going to have some more. And we actually have not got any packets of any of these. In these hidden ones, there might be a packet that we got, but it doesn't really matter because we're trying to make a Barbie store in my room, and to make that, we need doubles of food. So we can have Shopkins, we can have anything. Because guys, if you have some ideas for us to make shelves, we're still stuck on how to make shelves, but if you have some ideas, that would help a lot. And also, if you have any ideas like making the airport for Barbie, tell it straight to me because we will do that. We've been thinking of making a hotel, pilot, airplane. We've been thinking of some crazy ideas for Barbie, so let's keep on going. Not only a shopping center, if you only thought. So, oh my god, this is really heavy. God, that's heavy. Let's get, oh my god, that tart treats. By the way, I love Pop-Tarts, so that's good. There's a Shopkin in here. Like, who is this Shopkin? She has a coin on the back. Okay, so let's open the dairy fresh milk first. And look, it says open at base. So, let's try this. It's heavy, so there has to be something inside. Oh, there's something in here. Ooh, we actually haven't got this Shopkin before. But guess what, guys? These don't have like little number, like little coins on the back, and these do, and this one says $1 and this one says $1 too. It's a price. But why are they $1? We ain't making any money for $1. I'm gonna change that to $5. $10. Affiliate. No, there's nothing in here, but it is pretty good because it's a sweetie's gift, and that's good for Valentine's Day for Barbie. So we've opened these two. The tarts is kind of heavy, guys. But how do we open the tarts? It's like really heavy, and I feel a packet in here. Well, I don't feel it, but I just heard one. Look, there's a little packet sticking out. We got it open. Like, these tart treats are really cool because, I mean, I love Pop-Tarts, and they're basically Pop-Tarts, aren't they? So this one doesn't have a coin on it. Oh yeah, it does actually. It says $3. Why not something expensive? Like, even these don't have like one single coin. Is this like a series 2? It says Collector's Edition, but the other one said Collector's Edition. Oh, yeah. So this one has a $3 coin. Yep, that's how much. And then the pie has a love heart on it. Oh, this is going to be heavy for them. This better be a good price if there's something in here. Better be very good price because this looks like it's heavy, and heavy things have to be a bad price. Like, I mean, a good price for us, but a bad price for them. Let me just show you guys this. Like, look at this. It has a little carry-on right here. Okay, so guys, yes. Look at this. It's a Ziploc candy fun bag. And there's some, what if there's something in all of these? Because in some of these, there wasn't, like, anything in there. Ooh. Because they all are pretty heavy. This is glittery. I think we got a limited edition, guys. This has to be a lot of money. Let's find the money. I can't see. $2. How? How is this $2? Tell me right now. This is an awesome iron for Barbie. Like, look. Brrr. But I don't have an ironing table. We can make one. So this, guys, this is heavy. I'm gonna peel this slightly so we can put it back on. Guys, there is a packet in here. Well, we just noticed that this said a Shopkin in every mini pack, but this one didn't. The pack that these came in, because there was 2 packets here. That's why it's not much. So this one has to have like something to keep it look straight. So we're just gonna shove some of these bags into it to make it look like it has something in it. Let's see what we got here. We got a $2 thing. We got a $2 sugar, I think. Comment down below what you think this is. Now let's put this packet back down so it looks like it hasn't been opened. Kind of weird that there's flour in a sugar packet. It's a scam. Everybody run, it's a scam. Okay, now, since this one actually needs a bag, we're gonna put a bag in it. Okay. We got some, is this chocolate or is this Kit Kats? And this is $3. Why is everything so cheap? Bobby ain't paying that much. Tell you what. Okay, so guys, that's sadly everything except for this. Let's open this now. So 2 Shopkins plus 2 mini packs. We got Shopkins. I think this is a candy mix packet. Oh my god. It has like one of those things that the bread has. That bread has. I mean, we don't have bread. Oh, we have lovely lips. We have lipstick. Oh my god. Nothing else in there. Useless. This is actually a very nice lipstick packet. Looks so tiny. Now it's time to open the candy. I got it. So there's a piece of cardboard to keep this up, so we're going to put that back into it. Basically have to. Let's see if we can tie it back up. Okay, I can't tie this back up. This useless. Okay, let's see. There's a straight hole through this packet. We got a $1 lolly. This is a lipstick that is $1. $1 for a lipstick. I paid $10. Got this one, and I got this one, and this one, and this one. Homeware, did we get? Yes, we got a homeware, I think. Yes, we got this. And in that, there was a Sizzlies Season 2. Don't forget to stay awesome, stay sweet, I love you guys so much, and stay in the galaxy. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and also press the notification bell, ding, if you want to get notifications on all my videos that I will do. And let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes today. Bye! Mwah, mwah. There's a bag, guys. Let's see if we can open this bag without scissors. Magic. Ow. Rephrase that.